Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to install and use ChatGPT search in your web browser. Alright, so if you want to use ChatGPT search as the default search engine instead of Google, you have to install the ChatGPT search browser extension, and you can do that I think in Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and any Chromium based web browser. And what you can do is just search for ChatGPT search, or an even easier way is to click on your account here, and when you open up ChatGPT, and you're gonna see this option, get ChatGPT search extension, and if you click on it, it will automatically open up the Chrome extension page, ChatGPT search. And to be able to use it, all you have to do is click on add to Chrome, confirm add extension. And now if we search for a specific thing in the address bar, instead of Google, we're gonna get ChatGPT search results. So let's say, what is affiliate marketing? So let's see what happens. As you can see, it doesn't get search in Google, but it opens up ChatGPT and adds our query to ChatGPT search. And as you can see now, it has searched the web and gives us the answer. So this is what you can see here. It also gives us the sources, so you can check out the sources it has used, but it gives a better overview than Google search would do, even with the AI overuse. So now this is how you can install and use the ChatGPT search extension.